Why we are excited about this package is, I don't know if you can see, it's a fridge freezer. We're gonna use this as a freezer, and the biggest reason why we're super excited is because our freezer in there, if you guys know, the beer freezers or fridge freezers, the freezer sucks. Another thing is we could stay off grid for roughly 2 weeks as far as food goes, but this is gonna extend our time in middle of nowhere for about a month. So thank you to SetPower for sending us this fridge. We're gonna open it up, take a look, and let you guys know what we think of it, how much power it's drawing, and all of that. Let's get to unboxing this. It is packaged really well. And you know what's crazy? It's shipped from their headquarters to our destination in Yuma. I think it was less than 3 days. Absolutely fast shipping on this. So if somebody's in a pinch and needs one ASAP, it's super quick. Let's take a look here. Packaged well, obviously. So here it is. It's 58 quart, so that's 55 liter. This is the PT series. It's PT55. Absolutely gorgeous fridge. It's got like this rock texture on it, and obviously here's the controls and everything. Now, I really like that it's tall, not like wide. So the handle is super strong and easy to pick up, obviously, and stow away. Wow, this is huge. Super deep compartments. This one is, and then this one is about half of that. And I've never seen a fridge say like what you should store or what temperatures you should set for like fruits and all that. And then the nice part is the trouble codes are all on here, so you don't have to, worry about where can I find that if you have a problem or anything like that. It's got lights in here, so you can see what you're grabbing out of there. So it's gonna be great because it's gonna be in our garage space in the back, and it's great because then I don't have to turn on the light, just open the fridge. Light will kick on and grab whatever I need. It's got a user manual. It's got a power brick and 12 volt. And this fridge does run on 12 or 24 volt, which is pretty sweet because we have a 24 volt system. So we're probably just gonna run it in 24 volt. And the nice part about this fridge too is what they offer. What they offer with these fridges is you can get a power bank with it. You can get a cover for it. You can get a slider with it. So they got tons of accessories for them. The power brick kind of sounds great for if you're, say, like camping out of your truck. So while the truck is off, you don't have to run it off truck battery if you don't have a system set up. And while you're driving, you can charge the fridge battery while it's running off the truck battery. So that's kind of a few great options. So all in all, as far as aesthetics go and the build quality of the fridge, you can't beat that. Like this is a budget fridge freezer, and it looks amazing. Everything has great touch to it. It's not a cheaply made fridge. So what they're offering it for, this is a killer fridge. Let's get this thing installed, and I'm curious on how long it's going to take to cool, how much power it's going to take, fridge, and also what's going to be the efficiency factor too, is how well insulated this fridge is. I'm excited to load this up with everything we need so we can stay off grid a lot longer. Let's get the fridge into its final resting place and get it all powered up and see how it does. Pretty excited for this, really. We're just gonna put it right underneath the filters here. Pretty simple. And really for supplies, all we really need is some rubber feet, and that should keep it from moving. We might Velcro it even on the base, and that'll, like, everything is Velcroed in the truck, and that keeps anything from moving around. So that fits in there perfectly. We got room on this side, we got room to the door over there, and still can get everything in and out, no problem. So let's plug it in. For now, I'm just gonna plug it in with a power adapter, and then I'm curious how fast it will cool. They claim 15 minutes to get to a refrigeration point, not freezer point, which that's still 15 minutes. It's not a lot of time. After that, we're gonna go shopping and stock this thing up and see how it'll perform. A little bit my way. Okay. That's it. Moment of truth right here. Boom. Right now it is exactly 12 o'clock. And let's set our parameters here. Cooling. We're gonna set like max on the freezer. And then we're gonna set to fridge on that one for now. Set our battery protection. So right now we're at 70 Fahrenheit, 66. And then we're gonna turn our compressor speed on max. And there it goes. So I'll let you know in 15 minutes. So we're only drawing around 50 watts at the moment on this unit. That's not that much. So it's been roughly 15 minutes. Let's go have a look and see what we're at. We're just at about at 15-minute mark. So we're not quite at 32. However, while we were doing the unboxing, we let the fridge sit outside for at least 15 minutes, 20 minutes out in the middle of the sunlight. So it started from 80 Fahrenheit on the inside, which is a lot. And yeah, so it's doing pretty good, I would say. I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes and it's gonna be right where it needs to be. That's a F-22 right there. We're actually parked up right across the airfield and we see the jets ripping by, which is super cool. Yeah, that is awesome. We're about 18 minutes into this and the big chamber is at 35 and the little one is at 38 right now. You know, 35 and 38 in 20 minutes. That's pretty dang good. There's a lot of space in there. I'm pretty excited. I'm excited to have ice cream. We just need to fill her up because obviously it has nothing to freeze. So we got to go to Walmart or wherever. Let me go grocery shopping. That wraps up that. It's pretty quick. 80 Fahrenheit to 32 Fahrenheit in around 20 minutes. And yeah, now one side is below freezing in about 24 minutes or 22 minutes, something like that. Anyway, pretty happy with that. Overall, check them out, guys. SetPower, great budget fridge, great quality. Make sure you check out SetPower if you need one of those units for yourself as well. Not gonna lie, I kind of miss the smaller selection, easier to choose. While we stocked up at Walmart, spent a whopping, what was it, 150 US? So like, whatever, 190 Canadian. And we're gonna fill up that freezer, which is pretty exciting. But this isn't the big haul. We're gonna do the big haul at Costco in Phoenix. So let's get all this in there and then we'll see where we're gonna camp tonight. I do not feel like staying at a truck stop again, so yeah. How happy are you about not freezing, or I guess freezer burning everything?
This is great because we barely got any meat. I mean, it's gonna last us for a while, but it's not gonna fill that thing up at all.
Yeah, and there's, what else is in there that you really wanted and you could never have in this fridge?
Ice cream. I'm really excited. I'm so still got a lot of room left.
Well guys, we found camp for the night, not a truck stop, which is great. We're gonna go have some dessert, which is gonna be some great ice cream. We haven't been able to have ice cream at all on this whole entire trip because it wouldn't stay frozen in our other freezer. So that SetPower fridge freezer is a game changer. If you guys wanna set yourselves up with one of those great fridges, make sure you check out SetPower. Link is in the description. And for 12% off, make sure you use code EXPEDITIONADVENTURE. That peanut butter cup ice cream is amazing. And if you guys want to live, not with coolers and all that, make sure you check out SetPower because this is going to be a game changer for us and it would be for you too. So thank you for SetPower for sending us this fridge. We're absolutely stoked on it. And nevertheless, that wraps it up. We'll see you guys on the next one.